You are seeing a hell everywhere because of lack of meditation. And another point is eating meat. The parents give the fish and the chicken to the children. My goodness, that's wrong. What you eat is what you are. So you should be very careful in what you put in your mouth.
So what is the impact of vegetarianism on a child?
Every child becomes a great devil in due course after eating meat. And whereas if you are a vegetarian, the child will become young child to older child. He will not become a devil. He will not become cruel. He becomes maintains his softness because of vegetarian. Vegetarian plant food is soft food. Animal food is hard food. You become a hard soul.
With meat?
Of course so.
Hi masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.